Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see image pullBackOff error. So if you see this error, as the name suggests that we are having some problem to, to validate or to get that image. It could be a wrong image name, it could be from the private registry where you don't have the access, or if you are downloading from the internet and there is no internet available, right? So let us try to create this kind of error. So here, what I'll say kubectl and run with my pod, say pod 3 with the image, and I will give the image which is a wrong image, say nginx10, right? When I run this, pod get created. Now, if I say kubectl get pod, so you can see error image pull, right? So that error is the error. Now pod is not created. So if I try to kubectl logs and pod 3, if I run this, right? So here you can see, yes, there is a error bad request, pod 3, waiting to start, trying and failing to pull the image because that image does not exist. If I try to see kubectl uh, describe pod and pod 3, so here also you can see that image nginx10 failed to pull and unpack the image, right? So which basically clearly says that either I have the access denied or repository does not exist, or it may require the authorization. Right? So this is the error image pull. So yeah, we will see the next error troubleshooting in our next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.